And here is my next lawnmower find. I got a snapper with a Intech 6.75 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine. This is an overhead valve engine. And this is a self-propelled snapper. It's got a high vac bag on it. I'm not sure this is a high vac model though. I'll show you underneath the deck. And this couple had moved to a townhouse and no longer needed this. He bought this new. Looks like it's in really good condition. This comes out very well with the bright sunshine. The only thing I've seen wrong is this rope will need to be replaced. I'm sure that's the original rope and it is very frayed. This is a throttle control engine. Very clean up here with the foam. Foam's not torn up. And this is a 6-speed snapper self-propelled that I'll show. Excuse the shadow here. He said he thought this was a 2004 model. I have the manual with this, an extra blade. It's got a Ninja blade installed on here and some other accessories with this as well I'll show. Said he changed the oil in this in April. Looks like it's pretty clean. And it started right up in his garage there in the townhouse. Primer bulb engine. And it has a car type air filter on it, hopefully with the foam on it. I'll have to check it and see. Got a little bit of a dent here, but other than that, in very good condition. This is going to clean up real nice. Very heavy. And this has one of those baffles that you can remove or lower. And you can see that it has a snapper Ninja blade on here. And it does have the cover for the belt. A lot of these I've gotten, that belt had been replaced. They never put the cover back on because it is a pain. But it's good to see that is on there. Keeps the grass from eating it up. Very nice. Let me show you a little bit more about this snapper. And let's check the air filter and I'll show you the manuals. So let's take a look at the air filter here. I've loosened these two screws here. It's a car type air filter in here. And good, it's got the foam on there as well. So we need to clean it off a bit and we can reuse this air filter. And here is a model and serial number of the snapper. And here's everything else that I got with this lawnmower. I got a regular 21-inch blade, which is in really good shape with this. This is a mulching cover, which will replace that side cover there for the grass catcher. We got a side chute, and we also have a mulch plug that goes into that chute as well. So it's nice to get these accessories with this snapper. And here are all the manuals that were kept in the original plastic cover. We got the operator's manual for this particular model. We got a brochure for that time period. We've got an engine maintenance instruction manual. Even wrote the serial number down, Intech 6.75. And we got our setup instruction manual. I noticed he had written down the date here, 5/19/2003. Looks like it's when he bought this. And the serial number. Really nice having these. And these wheels are in really good condition. And all the height adjustments work on here, not stuck. Really nice condition. It's going to clean up really well. I took the side chute off here just to look at the self-propel unit. Looks like everything's in really good shape. Belt's in good shape here. All the springs are in place. And this is the newer solid rubber ring self-propelled. And the further out on this pulley, the faster the self-propel goes. And the further in, the slower. All this looks really good on here. So let's give this really nice snapper a start here. Had to put a little bit of gas in here. I'm going to prime it just a couple times. See how easy it'll start today. Give it a little bit of throttle. And here we go. Lawnmower. We're going to clean this up and do a follow-up video on this really nice snapper.